Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of universal remotes. We'll be counting down the top 5 universal remotes that are currently available on the market, breaking down their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is right for you. As always, you can find the product links in the description below. Let's get started. At number 4, we have the MaxiTalk Universal TV Remote Control, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $7.90. This remote is perfect for those who want a no-frills solution to control up to 3 devices, including TVs, DVD Blu-ray players, and soundbars. It supports all the major brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and more, making it a versatile choice for a variety of setups. In terms of design, the MaxiTalk is compact and lightweight, weighing only 2.39 ounces. It's easy to program using a simple 4-digit code system, and the included instruction manual walks you through the process. However, it's important to note that this remote doesn't work with Roku streaming sticks, Fire TV sticks, or other RF streaming devices. It operates purely via infrared, so line of sight is necessary for it to function effectively. While it lacks advanced features like backlighting or app control, the MaxiTalk excels as a straightforward, affordable remote for basic setups. It's a great pick for anyone on a tight budget or for those who need a quick replacement for their existing remote. The main drawback is its limited compatibility with streaming devices, but at this price point, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Taking the third spot is the LauTalk Universal Remote, which comes as a pack of 2 for just $9.96. If you're in a household with multiple Samsung TVs, or you just want a backup remote, this is a fantastic deal. These remotes are pre-programmed for Samsung TVs, so there's no need for pairing or setup. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries and you're good to go. The design is straightforward and functional, with 3 shortcut buttons for quick access to key features. The remote offers quick response times, with a range of up to 10 meters, 32 feet. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it a practical option for everyday use. However, it's worth mentioning that these remotes are exclusively designed for Samsung TVs. So if you have devices from other brands, this might not be the right choice for you. Overall, the LauTalk Universal Remote is perfect for Samsung TV owners who want an affordable and reliable replacement. The 2-pack option adds extra value, making it a smart choice for larger households. The only downside is its brand-specific compatibility. But for Samsung users, it's a no-brainer. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Acquire Universal TV Remote Control, priced at $8.51. This remote offers an impressive level of versatility for its price, supporting a wide range of devices from major brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and more. It can control up to 3 devices at once, making it a practical choice for multi-device setups. The Acquire remote is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring a straightforward setup process using a 4-digit code. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle, but it does require line of sight due to its infrared operation. One standout feature is its detailed user manual and code list, which makes programming a breeze, even for first-time users. However, it's not compatible with certain streaming sticks and soundbars, so you'll want to double-check your devices before purchasing. For under $10, the Acquire remote offers excellent value, combining multi-device support with a user-friendly design. It's a great option for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable solution for controlling their home entertainment system. The only real drawback is its limited compatibility with some newer streaming devices. But for most users, this won't be a deal breaker. Taking the top spot on our list is the SofaBaton U2 Universal Remote, the premium option priced at $69.99. This remote is the ultimate all-in-one solution, capable of controlling up to 15 devices, including TVs, soundbars, DVD Blu-ray players, and more. With its powerful code library supporting over 500,000 devices from 6,000 brands, it's hard to find a device this remote can't handle. The design is sleek and ergonomic, with backlit buttons and a raise-to-wake OLED display for easy use in low-light situations. The SofaBaton app makes setup a breeze, allowing you to pair devices, customize button layouts, and even program macros to execute multiple commands with a single button press. The enhanced infrared range ensures reliable operation from anywhere in the room, and the IR learning function allows you to program functions from your original remote. The SofaBaton U2 is perfect for tech enthusiasts and anyone with a complex home theater setup. While the price is on the higher side, the advanced features and unparalleled compatibility make it worth the investment. The only downside is that it doesn't support Wi-Fi devices like Roku streaming sticks, but for most users, this won't be an issue. If you want the best of the best, the SofaBaton U2 is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your options for the best universal remote. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.